Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add metadata to your Fiverr gig image. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch the quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already. And after doing so guys, you can go ahead and log into your account. So here in the upper right corner, go ahead and click on the sign in button to log into your account that you want to use for posting the gig. If you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Fiverr, where you can get started with browsing all the sections. You can see all the gigs other people have right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to add the metadata to our image on our gig. First, what we want to do is go ahead and open up the gig we want to add the image for. So either if you're already logged in as a seller, you'll be able to find your gig right here under your business option. If not, you can click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, and the new menu that appears, click on become a seller. So after clicking become a seller, you can go ahead and fill out all the info, and you can go ahead and get started continuing. As you can see, this is going to enable us to go ahead and fill out all the info to verify ourselves. And after finishing that guys, now we can go ahead and get started posting a gig. So as you can see, here is the option where we can go ahead and provide all our info such as gig title, category, search tags, and so on. Basically guys, after you have posted all of this in your gallery, you will be able to go ahead and start posting your images. So you can go ahead and add images that you want to use, and you can go ahead and select the category right here and add the tags. This is all going to help with the metadata for making your CEO so that your gig will turn up when people search for it on Google. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.